Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladitech. Today I'll be showing you how to get full screen option on your TikTok. If by any chance you want to get full screen option on your TikTok account, please do this to the very end and see what will you obtain from it. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Tap on the plus icon in front of your screen on the home page. Then now tap on upload, plus icon, then tap on the record screen, the red screen there, the red option there. Allow it to have record a video. Allow it to get a video, record a video. So this is my video now. For what I'm going to do next is to tap on the edit option there. Tap next, then there is an icon here. After this pause, you see an icon. When you tap on it, you zoom it. That way you have a full screen option of what you want to do. So guys, then this video you can save it, enter your link and other things. You see, you can complete it here by posting it. So guys, that is it on how to get full screen option on TikTok. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to leave a comment at the comment section.